Good afternoon. My name is Jorge Jaramillo. This is a video in which I'm going to show one myth about technology based on my context of my country, and I'm going to do some experiment to check out if this myth is right or is false. I'm basing in this article. It's a Colombian article, but it's based in a USA News. It's about like the Wi-Fi service in the street, in the parks, in the public places are safe or are insecure. This is the problem that we have to think about. In this article is very well explained what is a public service, a public Wi-Fi service, and how we can protect our devices, our information from this service, which by itself are not dangerous, but I'm going to show you that it's not secure at all. We have to do an experiment. I in this computer I am connected by we can check that I am connected with internet. A cable Ethernet connection to the Wi-Fi of this house. So I'm going to simulate that the Wi-Fi of this house is the public service that you can find in a park, in a bank, in a hotel. It's the same. And I am the owner of this service, the Wi-Fi service. So how we're going to prove or contradice or say that it's not true, that this information that you are looking for in internet is secure or insecure. First of all, we have to access to the service of internet in like normal ways, like just going here in the internet, you do right click and open net configuration. You are not going to find anything, so you can say it is secure. But there are some kind of programs that helps other people to look what are you searching for. So we are going to open a VM Oracle VirtualBox. That is a program in which you can open a computer inside of your computer with the operative system that you want. In my case, I'm going to show Kali Linux. That is a very useful operative service for all this stuff of information, net, and security. So here is the Kali Linux. This Kali Linux is like configured in a way that this user have all the permissions to manipulate all the computer and the semi-computer inside the VirtualBox. So here we have our application. These have a lot of functions, but we are going to use Wireshark. Wireshark is a very useful software to look in the transfer protocols of internet, and this is used by enterprises, by like very big companies, to check how many information and what type of information is like passing by the net service. So I'm checking this. I click on this arrow so the protocol can start, and we wait a few minutes. Here the protocol starts, and this is a filter of any connection. It's not really any connection, it's any secure connection that is happening now in the house, in the internet local service. We have an IRP protocol. IRP protocols are just connection data transfer protocols from a device to a service to other device. So It's not like dangerous, are very common, normal. These IGMP are also other kind of secure protocols that we don't have to like be aware of that. So in this case, we can like notice that wow, it's secure because none of my information is shown in this table. Anyone can see what I'm doing, but it is not true at all. I am going to change the any filter, and you are going to see what happens. Here in the filters, I'm going to use ETH0. Like this is the real any connection filter in this Kali Linux console. So if I choose this and I wait a few minutes, you can see that there is only not ARP and ACGM. That was the previous ones. We have ECMP V6, and this is the like the key. I can go to, for example, Google and open in another window. I can like go to Colombia. Well, here we are in the Colombia page. Everything normal by now, but if we return to our Kali Linux, we can notice that there are a lot of TCP protocols that are connection transfers from an IP to other IP. The connection of Colombia page, I suppose that has to be one of the last ones. So we can like check out this. This connection goes from the port 192.168.0.18 to this IP that is obviously a web page IP. So in this framework that we have here, we can see all the information of the connection. This is like the source in this encrypted type. We can see the protocol version that is EP4, and also we can see like this address, and also we can see the transmission protocols. We can see here that is the port 443. Is that what the destination port and our source port, and this is very useful information for a well-known engineer or programmer or a person that knows about technology to do things with that information. We can notice that every single transfer connection in this PC is like noticed here. Everyone, even the connections that we are not doing by ourselves, like the second plane connections are also listed here. So talking about the problematic of the article that we were talking about at the beginning of this video, the Wi-Fi nets are public, are safe or not safe? First of all, for you can use that nets without like be afraid if you don't search for personal and like dangerous information. That if other people or other person have that information, you can like be affected, because we can see that all of the pages that you are looking for are like list, and a person that have like very well knowledge about technology can access to. So are secure? We can say that yes, they are secure because you can access to everything you want. And notice that if it's something that is not important for anybody, you can use that. They are not going to like find where you live, find your number, no. But if you access to personal information, a person that have very high knowledge in technology can access to, because here in Kali Linux we can notice that there are a lot of applications that can be used to like determine where do you live, contacts, number, keywords, passwords, everything that you don't want to be in other people's hands. So it is secure. Yes, they are secure, but not as secure as the most common people know things. You have to be aware of some kind of things that happen in these networks.